That's the ferry we're gonna be on. It looks nice, looks nice.
Mismos tickets para su regreso, ¿ok? Sentí que tengo hasta luego.
See. See. She went. Fast. That's why you talking about learning Spanish. Too late for me.
So we are leaving now from the Cancun side of the island. We're going to Isla Mujeres, and I think they said it's like 20 minutes by boat, so in the ferry. So we'll be over there shortly. We're gonna be riding the golf carts and all that stuff. So it's gonna be fun.
Isla Majeures. Isla Mujeres Mexico. Ooh. Oh, they ain't playing. Okay, yeah, we got to hit the crosswalk. We're gonna get a golf cart here. Boy, these people going crazy with these golf carts.
Alright, see y'all here driving this
Yeah. We rented this cart for 2 hours for $75. I think they got me. Anyway, we didn't even have it in 2 hours because she was like, I'm ready to go. Anyway, we ain't gonna do a lot of voiceover, a lot of talking. Come along and just enjoy the ride with us.
I thought I wanted to drive, and then I changed my mind.
Remember the last time the taxi was trying to take us over? Crazy when you sit on high. I had to take it.
That air feels good.
All that air feel good now. I don't know about these holes. Yes. Was that the police?
What we see out.
The police. Policia.
The wind is blowing.
That feel good with the wind.
Yes.
Got a car behind us. Can you imagine living on this island and all these gringos coming here riding these little cars like beep, beep.
They probably got us.
They probably, yeah, they probably these motherfuckers. Here comes beep, sir. Little church here. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's pretty. Really nice little colorful buildings and stuff. Remind me of Aruba. There you go. Look at that support. Look at that view. I'm gonna park right here. Give me a little picture. Yeah, come on, come inside. Yeah, this is a good joint.
Yeah, stand in the street.
Stand in the street. Stand in the street. Let's not get hit. All right. Island of the Women. Okay. Nice. We on the strip. We on the strip. Is this it? Here you go. Oh, we gonna have, I don't know, I can't, I'm gonna pull up some. It's a little icy. I don't think you can park here. The red. Gotta go to the yellow. Yeah. Oh, give me a mango. All right, I let Cherie's out there getting us a popsicle from one of the vendors over here. She's getting the popsicle. Yeah. Everybody on this beach. Having fun. We got our own beach at the resort. Oh, there she goes. Here she come with our ices. Look at that. It's safer here than in the States in certain areas. Like in certain areas in the States, it's safe. Certain areas of Mexico is safe. That's just how it goes. Don't be afraid to come to Mexico. You know, I had it so when you came. Okay, this look good. That look good. With mango, with real mangoes in it. Okay. How much was that?
$5.
So ain't bad. It's cheap. Okay. I don't know, you probably can't see it like that. But I was saying, all these people here and all the people are afraid to come to Mexico. Let me tell you something here. I'm afraid to go to certain areas in the hood. in any parts of this country, there's always, I mean, in any parts of the United States, there are places you don't go, period. And there's places in Mexico you don't go.
Right.
But when you're a tourist, come on now. You ain't letting nothing happen because this is the only way money coming in. You know what I'm saying? You did.
Yep. What he said.
It is good. It tastes like real mango and ice.
It is. It is real mango. That's why he gave us this spoon. You want to eat it.
Oh, okay. Let me eat this here and then stop talking. All right, talk to y'all. Hold up. All right, we turned the scooter in. All right, and then look at sucker MC. So we turned the scooter and they was like, come on this side, and she was like, okay. She bought pictures. They took pictures of us inside the vehicle when we pulled off. And I wasn't gonna buy nothing. I'm not buying a picture for. We got a bunch of pictures. Took our own pictures. You know what I'm saying? Took our own pictures, but I'm going inside get some beer though.
It's cool.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Thank you kindly. Gracias. Hey, sucker MC. Please.
Este le sale en 180 pesos. No, no. Juan, 8, 0. 180.
Okay, so we're gonna make that.
That's like
Diferente.
about $7-8.
Okay. Oh.
Different, I mean different.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a genius. Some CAT smart. Got my those, what is it? Those equals, whatever. I'm not good at this stuff. Yeah.